We have another unboxing video for you today. This is the Antec High Current Gamer Series Power Supply, 750 watt. Just a quick overview of the specs. This is an 80 plus bronze power supply. It is rated for SLI for NVIDIA and ATI Crossfire. Let's go over the specs here a minute. The output. Let's go with that first. This power supply is ideal for multi-cards if you need it. It's got, let's see if I can hold this here. You've got 25 amps on the 3.3 plus voltage, 25 amps on the plus 5 voltage, and you have 4 independent 12 volt rails, each with 40 amps, and then your standard negative 12.5 amps and positive 5 sub-bus 3 amps. Just a quick overview. This particular power supply has universal input, works on any 100 volt to 200 volt network, so you don't have the little switch in the back to switch between, let's say, United States and European power. It has active PFC. It's rated at 100,000 hours, and let's see what else we have here. This is just a quick overview of all the specs we have here. Let's back off a minute here. Like I said, it's got universal input anywhere from 100 to 240 volts. It has 6 plus 2 PCIe graphics connectors so that it can work with either the 6 or the 8 pin connector. Obviously it can handle multi-core CPUs. As mentioned, it's the 40 amp by 412 volt high current output. Another thing about the 12 volt rails. Let's see, it's got a 135 millimeter fan, continuous power so it doesn't fluctuate, the active PFC switching. One of their selling points here is Japanese brand capacitors, so I guess that means they're not made in China or Taiwan or anything like that. What else? It's just a quick overview showing that the fan RPMs vary based on the load that you're pulling. So as your RPMs get higher, your voltage, your decibel level increases. Looks to say it caps out somewhere between 32 and 38 decibels for volume. Let's see if there's anything else here. The back, I said here, it says 750 watt continuous power. We already went over that it's certified ATI Crossfire 80 plus bronze, which means it's up to 88% efficient. 100% of the rated power is available on the 12 volt rails. 135 millimeter double ball bearing fan, we went over that. And it says it's got gold plated PCIe connectors, 4 of them. And this is currently ATX 12 volt version 2.3 and EPS version 2.91. Quick overview of what it has here, connector wise. You've got the 420 plus 4 main power connector, the 8 pin 12 volt 4 plus 4 connector, 4 of your 8 or 6 plus 2 PCIe connectors, 9 serial ATA connectors, that's quite a bit, 6 older Molex, and even 1 floppy. And that's pretty much about it. Dimensions, get it over here. Dimensions are 86 mil by 150 by 180. So it'll fit in your standard case as long as you have just a touch extra room in the length. Okay, go ahead and open this up. Alrighty, looks like to be packaged very nicely. Let's get this protective cover out here. Here's your manual from Antec. Basically in multi-languages and just goes over the connectors, that type of thing. And there is a manual online I recommend you read. Okay, let's go ahead and take this out. Comes with basically your power supply and, of course, a power cord. Appears to be a heavy-duty power cord, and a bag of 4 screws to attach it to your case. And Antec packages this power supply in a nice little bag to make it look nice, although when you're going to actually have it in the bag, who knows. I don't imagine anyone wanting to run their power supply in the bag. Not good for ventilation. Okay, take this off, and there we go. Alright, there's the, anyway, sorry for the interruption. This is the, I guess the bottom or the top of the power supply, depending on how you mount it. Just the overview again. This is the model HCG750. I don't think I mentioned that before. Anyway, this is just a generic look overview here. You've got the 135mm fan, nice red accents going on. No rear fan, of course, and no switch, just standard power switch and plug. Anyway, I've already been over the connectors here, but as you can see, plenty of Pcie connectors. Everything's nice and sleeved. This is not a modular power supply, but many people prefer them not to be modular, just because there's supposedly extra potential for power problems, I've heard. But yeah, there's your 20+4, your PCIe 6+2s, and anyway, that's the power supply. Nice little overview. Hope it was informative. Hope you enjoyed. Just give you another quick look at it. These cables appear to be quite long. Okay, sorry, one more interruption. I think that was it. Anyway, there's your power supply, though. I'm sorry if we got all the interruptions. I'll hopefully edit this down. Anyway, hope you enjoyed, and any questions, post in the comments. I'll be happy to try to answer what I can.